Interested in London's Canary Wharf? Here is what the area offers. Over the last 30 years, Canary Wharf has seen a tremendous transformation. From an initial industrial wasteland, Canary Wharf has developed into one of the world's major financial centres, and it's recently begun its shift toward becoming residential heaven. Canary Wharf is located on the Isle of Dogs, in the East London borough of Tower Hamlets. What was once an area bustling with people only during business days and hours is now a lively neighbourhood, with new residential developments and a growing cultural and social scene. Easy access and plenty of living and entertainment options have made Canary Wharf a very coveted neighbourhood for residents employed in the financial and technology sectors dominating the area's offices. Easy access, breathtaking views and world-class amenities are just a few of the perks of Canary Wharf. It is home to attractions like the Canary Wharf Tower, the Museum of London Docklands, Billingsgate Market, Canada Park Square. It also offers many parks and entertainment opportunities and features several shopping malls and many adjacent cafe and restaurant options. Canary Wharf property consists mainly of contemporary apartments and impressive penthouses in glass-fronted buildings, and riverside developments with breathtaking views. Latest developments in the area include 10 Park Drive, South Quay Plaza, One Park Drive, Dollar Bay, and the landmark Pinnacle. Canary Wharf is one of the fastest growing areas in London, and it is bound to continue its ascent, with easy access to the Jubilee line that takes you into the city and West End in 10 minutes. The DLR that runs throughout the area and has links with the tube. Regular bus services on several main lines. River bus services that run regularly from Canary Wharf Pier. And London City Airport, from where you can easily fly off to any major European destination. Canary Wharf offers its residents the ideal location in the heart of everything.